Hello dear customer, this is Evan from QRQ company. So today I would like to share with you how to make in the plastic open and finish zipper. And so as you can see in my hand, there are many different kind of the plastic open and finish zipper with different top star and the different pin box or pin. So and also so that means we also have different solutions to make this kind of zipper. So as you can see, there are totally 4 solutions, and today I will introduce the solution 2, and the solution 2 is also the solutions we recommend to our customer because it is very stable. So now let's begin. So as you can see, and this is a solution 2 per-axis drawing, and there are totally 9 per-axis. And so now let's check it one by one. Okay, so the first one is the gapping. The gapping means we remove the teeth, and after gapping we fill sealing. Fill sealing, that means we use the transparent film and put it on the surface of the plastic zipper. In this fill sealing, also we need to make a preparation for the hole punching. So you see hole punching, the third step, hole punching, we make a hole on the zipper. And then after hole punching, we need to eject the pin box or pin. So as you can see in this process, we just inject the pin box or pin. Okay, we don't inject the top star. Okay, so that is something important things to be noted. And after inject the pin box or pin, we need to pick up the waste material and combine the zipper. And then we also need to use the crushing machine to crush the POM bond. And because we normally some customer want to recycle this material and use it again, so it can save their cost. And after this process, we need to the 7 steps. The 7th step is slider mounting. We mount the slider on the zipper, and after slider mounting, we need to inject the top star, because in this step we don't inject the top star. So in the 8 steps, we need to inject the top star, and the top star you can inject the different types. For example, the normal types, and also the hook shake or side insert model top star. Okay, and after inject the top star, we go into the last step, the cutting. We use the cutting machine to cutting the zipper, and then we can require this plastic open and finish zipper. Okay, so this is a solution 2. So now let's see what material we need to make this kind of zipper. So as you can see, the first one is the film for the fill sealing per-axis, and we also provide the POM material for inject the pin box, inject the top star and all pin, and the other kind of top star and pin box. So and the third one is the slider. The slider, many different customers will use the different fancy puller and different design. And for the slider, we have our own mold factory, and we can make the puller mold for you, so you can make a different fancy puller. Okay, so the last one is the POM, also the POM. So this is a raw material of making this plastic open and finish zipper. And also besides the per-axis and the raw material, we also have the leaflet. So you can see of each machine. And in this one, so you see, we will put our machine's specifications, and also we will introduce our advantages, and also we will share some spare parts used for this machine. So, and in addition to the leaflet, we also provide you the video. Okay, so every per-axis use each machine, and the working video of each machine we have, and we can show it to you.
The output is 1,800 pieces per hour. Okay, you can see the zippers go through here and fits in here, and then the zippers come out here. You can see the fill sealing is very well. The output is 1,800 pieces per hour. Okay, you can see the zippers go through here and fits in here, and then the zippers come out here. You can see the fill sealing is very well. The output is 3,800 pieces per hour, and then the zippers go out here.
Finally, my friend, so if you really want to set up your own plastic open and finish zipper making workshop, and if you want to know more details of our H machines and you can browse our website, our TikTok, and the Instagram and other social media. And if you want to contact us, you can use the WeChat, use the WhatsApp, and also the email. So my friend, please feel free to contact us. We can support you everything from the beginning to the end. Thank you. So see you next time. Bye bye.